Hello people, welcome back. If your vehicle don't have a Bluetooth function to receive calls or to play music from YouTube from your mobile phone, then this is what I would recommend, the iTCXreme Bluetooth audio transceiver. So yeah, that was about roughly about just under 15 quid from Amazon in the UK. Range is 10 meter, 5.1 support, 2-in-1 transmitter and receiver. The part number is 6030, and it's a USB-A power, audio port 3.5mm standard, and those are the frequencies and so on and so forth. Right, okay, it is made in China. That's fine. I've had stuff from iTCXreme and they've been fairly consistent in terms of the quality. Now the other thing you need is one of these. This is a Belkin, so I always use decent power source adapters and whatever it is, whether it's phone charger or leads, always use good quality. This is a 2.4 amp, which is perfectly fine to power something like this, but I prefer to use this because again you can pick these up from Amazon. Part number is F8M730. That's the Belkin USB single port charger. Okay, and obviously that gets plugged into your cigarette lighter. So without delay, let's crack on with this. Okay, let me. Alright, so yeah, it has been unpacked in my property, but not in the vehicle. Let's have a quick look. So unplug this. It's absolutely important that this toggle switch is positioned to RX, so it's receiving and sending the signal out through this aux cable into your aux port in the car. Okay, providing that you have an aux input, then yes, you can use this. If you don't have one, then you might be struggling. Okay, and then obviously that will get plugged into here. All right, just like that. My vehicle has all the devices inside this. I'm already running a music thingy through the USB stick here. You can see there. My aux in is here. So I'm going to plug that into this, and then I'm using one of these double plug because one is running my dash cam and the other one's going to run the Bluetooth adapter here. Read the instruction manual carefully, because in the instruction manual it does sort of explains the RX and the TX and what purpose that each toggle switch do, but for this instance I am going to leave this in the RX position. Okay, just want to make sure that I've got enough space so I'm not damaging the port. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this, nice and tidy. Slam it on. Okay, it does have a light and blue and red indicator, and it does mention on here that let's find the English bit. Okay, so the TX mode, and it talks about try to set the switch to TX to TX, right? Connect the product to your devices, e.g. TV, PC, laptop, PlayStation 5 with the 3.5mm cable, blah blah. Okay, and then it talks about the then the product will power on automatically with the LED indicator glowing for 1 second. Subsequently, the product enters pairing mode with the LED indicator blinking blue and red alternatively. So set your Bluetooth device, blah blah blah. If the product code connects to them successfully, the LED indicator blinks blue slowly. And the same thing here as well, pretty much, but read through the instruction, that's straightforward. In terms of the actual overview of the manual, that's what it says on the manual: as a transmitter and as a receiver. Okay, so without ado, and as I said, I'm setting it, leaving mine at this. Okay, without ado, let's crack on with the actual thingy. So I'm going to power on the car. It is a BMW E90 330D. Oh, I've got to keep the keys in. Turn the ignition on. That will then send the power to the actual device. And there you have it. It's blinking, so it's in the pairing mode. Okay. So now what you've got to do is go onto your Bluetooth function and it's already there. Scanned it there, so let's click onto this and see what it does. It should pop up with a pairing. Yep, so click pair.
Bluetooth connected.
There you have it. Now what I'm going to do is say, for example, I want to listen to a soundtrack. I'll go onto YouTube, for instance. Let's find a soundtrack of my own channel. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna have to chop that off. So for instance, this bike ride what I did. We know that that's working. Let's try and make a call to somebody. Let's see if I can make a call to somebody. Okay.
Hi Bob.
Hello mate, how are you?
Yeah,
Are you home?
I'm at home, yeah.
Yeah, no problem. I'll speak to you shortly. I'll tell you why I rang you in a moment. So yeah, just testing something, mate. In my car, it's a Bluetooth device. Just checking if it's working. So yeah, you look after yourself, and I'll see you in a short while then, mate. You take care.
Yeah, bud.
Sorry to trouble you, mate. You take care.
Okay.
Bye for now. Bye. So there you have it. So you can receive calls. He's family. He's like family to me. So we always look out for one another. So I was just using him as an example, and obviously I've offered my apologies to him for sort of bothering him during the weekends, but somebody had to be, troubled, and sadly it turns out to be my friend. It's better the friend than someone else, and he's not going to take it as an offence. So yeah, there you have it. That's so straightforward, and that's how you turn your car into a Bluetooth transmitter from your phone, and the sound is absolutely crystal clear. So I've put it in a high pitch. I can't run a music track because YouTube will strike put a strike on that video for monetization and so on and so forth. So sadly I can't do that. Anyway guys, that's how you resolve the issue. Have a great weekend, and I shall catch up with you on my next video. Take care. Bye for now.